Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're back in the kitchen. Today I'll be making some creamy tomato soup with tomatoes from the garden and basil from the garden. So I have here with me some cherry tomatoes and early girl tomatoes and of course fresh basil. It smells so good. You will need some garlic, a little bit of onions, maybe 2 tablespoons. If you don't want onions, you can skip actually. You can just stir fry a little bit of garlic. And for the liquid, you'll need some chicken stock and don't forget the most important part, the heavy cream. Start by cleaning your tomatoes, and I've already washed mine, and take off these green stem here and then put them in a blender. So these, I pulled some of them. Oh yeah, I still have some to clean up. I'll put the cherry tomatoes in first. I mean, cherry tomatoes a little more work because they're small and you have to pull all this green, but that's just what I happen to have growing in my garden. So for the bigger tomatoes, I'm going to cut them roughly so that they are about the same size and blend evenly with the cherry tomatoes. I have tomatoes of various size because this is end of the season, that's why. Next, I'm going to add some garlic. I will use 3 pieces of garlic, but I'm going to cut them roughly so that they blend better. Next, I'm going to add some basil. So let's grab a few of these and leave some for garnish. I'll pluck more. I have lots. So now that we have a tomato, basil, and garlic in the blender, let's start blending. You can use any blender. I just happen to have this one here, so it's on medium setting. I'm going to start blending. This looks like it's well blended. Yep, it is. Ooh, smells so good. The garlic, the fresh basil. You want it this consistency, see how you can scoop it with a spoon and you don't see any solid chunk. I'm going to give it a little quick try. It's so good, sweet. The tomato is very sweet because it's all very ripe and right amount of garlic and basil. Next, we're going to chop the onion and garlic so that we can saute it. So I'm going to chop, just roughly chop. And the garlic. I already put 3 cloves of garlic. So if you want it garlicky, you can add more. Add a tablespoon of olive oil in your pan. Saute the onion till they are lightly brown. Onions are starting to be brown. I don't like very raw onion taste, so now put the garlic. You don't want it to burn, so lower the heat. Just for about, we don't want it to burn, so this next step is optional. I'm going to start putting the tomatoes. I don't want seeds in my tomato soup, so that's why I put the seed. You can skip this step if you don't mind the seeds, but if you want soup without tomato seeds, this is what I do. I put it on low heat right now until I'm done cleaning all this. Don't forget to stir a bit underneath. I rinse the blender with some water. A little bit of water. Well, if you want to save seeds, this is a good way to save seeds. You know, pour it in a paper towel and dry it. Now let's increase the heat. I'm going to add some chicken stock for flavor. And let's cover it. It's been bubbling for about 5 minutes. Look at the beautiful color. So it is still a little liquidy. Crack some sea salt to taste. And then I'm going to add the heavy cream. This will give it a nice, beautiful orange color. So it's still very liquidy. I'm going to boil it let it simmer at least for 10 minutes. So this has been boiling for about 10 minutes. And look at the beautiful color. I'm gonna taste it. I'm looking to see, what I'm trying to look for is if it still has a raw tomato taste. This is perfect. It doesn't taste like raw tomatoes anymore. This is ready. Your soup is ready. I'm gonna turn off the stove. It's done.
I'm gonna make a quick grilled cheese sandwich. Now this pan is cold. I'm just using this pan as a plate for the moment. So this is just some aged cheddar. It's not gonna melt very well, but it'll still taste really well. You know, the good thing about grilled cheese is you can add just about everything. I'm just adding some pastrami. Now you want to add some cheese on top of this as well. You want it to just melt all around that meat so it doesn't come out in big chunks when you're eating it. Okay, that looks good. Let's top it with this other piece. Always add butter to your bread, not to the pan. This will help it grill evenly. Okay, this is ready. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna turn this on. And we'll do this over medium heat. We got our butter side. Obviously, we have to put that side down. Now I'm gonna take this top bread off. We don't want the bread to get soggy. And I'm gonna cover this. And that'll help the cheese melt. We'll let that go for 2 to 3 minutes. All right, in the meantime, while that cheese is melting, go ahead and butter the other slice of bread. So I'm gonna put my buttered bread on top of this. Now this is the tricky part. You gotta do this quickly because this cheese, because it's not sliced cheese, it might fall out. Nope, that worked out well. Let's move this bread around, soak up that butter. I'm gonna cook it uncovered this time because I don't want that top bread to get soggy. The first side I cooked for about 2 minutes, and the second side about 3 minutes, a little bit longer. I turned the flames down just a little bit. We'll go ahead and get this on a plate.
Okay, so we're gonna have our soup. Some basil.
Okay, I like mine with black pepper, so.
Grilled cheese and tomato soup. Lunch is served. Okay, let's enjoy our homemade lunch.
Yeah, we have some grilled cheese. It's nice and crispy on the outside.
And the tomato soup that we made from our garden tomato.
Yep, my wife's homemade tomato soup. It's really good. I already tried it.
All right, let's dig in. I'm gonna have a piece of your grilled cheese. Ooh, look at this grilled cheese.
Did it melt? Okay, good.
Yeah, melted cheese and some pastrami in there.
Don't be stingy with the butter. The butter makes it so good, right? Mm-hmm. And it's nice and crispy, crunchy.
What do you think of the tomato soup?
Tomato soup is good.
Because you usually don't like tomatoes that much.
I do not like tomatoes, and you cooked it right. You cook out, you don't have that raw tomato taste, so that's why I can eat it.
It's so good. Grilled cheese and tomato soup.
It's really good with the soup. Oh, here comes the dog. There's food. He hears the spoon. What's up, boy? You want to say hi to the camera? Come. Come here. Actually, the smoky cheddar, this is my daughter's idea. It's really good. Gives you that smoky flavor. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps. Leave a comment as well. We'd love to hear from you. And we'll see you next time, right?